What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and today we are going to have a detailed review of Dreame Z10 Pro AutoEmpty Robot Vacuum and Mop. So we are going to talk about its features, performance, design and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Dreame Z10 Pro comes in a large retail box compared to other vacuum robots because along with the vacuum, it also comes with a huge docking station cum dustbin as well because Z10 Pro comes with the AutoEmpty feature. The packaging is quite impressive and you will find everything you need to use the Z10 Pro inside the retail box in a very nice and safe packaging. Now talking about the design and build quality. At the first glance, the Z10 Pro looks like any other robot vacuum currently available in the market, but obviously there are few distinctions. Z10 Pro is a lidar powered robot vacuum and it comes with multiple set of sensors. So we got the edge sensor, we got laser distance sensor, and it also comes with high precision 3D sensors that detects the obstacle and avoid any collision with them. Overall, the build quality of Z10 Pro is quite nice. It looks beautiful and premium. Now if you are curious about how the AutoEmpty system works, then the simple answer is that the Z10 Pro docking station comes with strong vacuum in itself that sucks all of the dust and garbage from the dustbin to the box provided in the docking station. In the docking station, you will find there is a dust collection bag like the old age vacuum cleaners that collects all of the dust from the robot vacuum. The dust bag in the docking station can hold up to 4 liters of waste and dust, and depending on how dirty your house gets, it can easily store the dust and waste for up to 2 months, and that's really one of the most highlighted point of the Z10 Pro, that it can provide you a total hands-free automated cleaning process for up to 2 months, and that's really a big deal for sure. Now to set up and use all of the features of Dreame Z10 Pro, you will have to use Xiaomi's Mi Home app. So you can easily get the idea that Dreame is actually affiliated with Xiaomi. The Mi Home smartphone app comes with lots of features using which you can improve your user experience and utilize all of the features of Dreame Z10 Pro very easily. So you can configure that how you would like the AutoEmpty feature to work. You can put the child lock, you can manually control the direction of the Dreame Z10 Pro. You can also turn off the 3D high precision obstacle avoidance, but this is one of the highlighted feature of the device and it does not make sense to keep it off. Dreame Z10 Pro comes with a built-in loudspeaker that gives the voice notification for every single activity being performed by the Z10 Pro robot vacuum, and you also get the notification for most of the important thing on your smartphone as well. Talking about some of the highlighted features of Dreame Z10 Pro, it comes with multi-floor mapping. So if you live in a large house with multiple floors, then the Z10 Pro can scan, analyze and store the map information of up to 3 floors. So if you got a big house with multiple floors, then Z10 Pro is the best robot vacuum that you can bring home. Once the mapping is done, you can mark out a particular zone to clean it. You can also choose a specific room where you would like to perform the cleaning and mopping, or you can do it on the entire floor. The mapping and object detection is just too impressive on Dreame Z10 Pro. It can easily detect some minor stuff placed on the floor like shoelaces, small toys, etc. and easily avoid them. Just to check how smart is the object detection on Dreame Z10 Pro, I tried to put it in a maze-like situation and it was totally able to avoid them very easily. Dreame Z10 Pro comes with 4000 PS suction power, that is one of the highest among any other vacuum cleaners, and because of that the Z10 Pro is particularly helpful if you got lots of carpet in your house to clean them. It is even smart enough to detect the carpets to increase the suction power by itself to clean them. But one point to be noted here is that it works only while moving from a flat regular surface to the carpet. So if you got plenty of carpet in your house, then you will have to manually switch to the turbo mode to clean those carpets. But still, it is a very nice and useful feature for a regular house. At the full charge, Dreame Z10 Pro can run up to 150 minutes, and that's quite nice because it can easily cover and clean a floor of most of the houses during this runtime. Another interesting feature of Dreame Z10 Pro is that it comes with a mopping system as well. So it comes with a mop and a water tank which are detachable, and you can connect it with the Z10 Pro and it will start mopping the floor. But as you can expect, it is more of a wiping instead of the mopping process, because the robot vacuum cannot apply the pressure as we do in the manual mopping. So if you got stubborn stains on the floor of your houses, then it won't clean them. But for the regular scenarios, once again, this is a nice useful feature that Dreame Z10 Pro brings to your house. So overall, Dreame Z10 Pro is the best robot vacuum that you can buy for your home. The design and build quality is solid. It comes with Xiaomi's home ecosystem. So you got a pretty solid IoT platform with Dreame Z10 Pro that you can use. It comes with multi-level mapping for multiple floors of your house. It also comes with the no-go zone feature. You can quickly tell the Z10 Pro to clean a particular room. You can even schedule the cleanup process. The object detection and avoidance system is very smart and super impressive. And with 4000 PA suction power, it is one of the most powerful robot vacuum that you will find in the market. And don't forget that it also comes with an auto emptying feature that makes the house cleaning process totally automated and hands-free if you got the Dreame Z10 Pro in your house. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.